The requirement for thermographic surveys among engineers is increasingly prevalent, reflecting the technology's value in various projects. While the exact number fluctuates based on industry project specifics and particular demands, a general trend indicates a rise in their adoption. According to a study, approximately 60% of engineers now include thermographic surveys in their project protocols. This percentage is anticipated to grow further as thermography gains more recognition as a crucial tool for identifying structural issues and potential maintenance concerns within buildings. The primary reasons engineers are specifying thermographic surveys on projects are many. 1. To identify areas of heat loss or gain in buildings. 2. To detect moisture intrusion. 3. To inspect electrical and mechanical systems. 4. To identify structural defects. 5. To assess the performance of energy efficiency measures. Thermographic surveys are applicable across a broad spectrum of projects. These include new construction, renovation projects, and assessments of existing buildings. Furthermore, these surveys can be used to evaluate various building components like walls, roofs, windows, doors, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. For engineers contemplating the inclusion of thermographic surveys in their projects, several points are essential. First, it is crucial to engage a certified thermographer. The chosen thermographer should possess the necessary expertise to conduct accurate and effective surveys. Second, the scope of the survey and anticipated deliverables should be clearly defined upfront to ensure that the survey meets the project's specific needs and objectives. Finally, it is critical to communicate the survey findings to all relevant parties and to implement appropriate actions to address any identified defects or areas of concern to maintain structural integrity and efficiency.